Oh, hey everyone. It's Jonathan here from the Catholic Woodworker. Happy May. Well, at least by the time you see this, it will be May. I have several shop updates I'd love to share with all of you, starting with a huge thank you to everyone who's been supporting us over the last weeks and this month of April. We hope that everyone had a very holy and blessed Holy Week and wonderful Easter celebration. What's great is that we get to continue to celebrate Easter, so happy Easter, everyone, as well. Tomorrow is the feast of St. Joseph, I believe the worker, and I have been doing the consecration to St. Joseph. If you haven't done this or haven't looked into it, I'd highly recommend checking it out. I really didn't know what to expect going into it, but I can tell you and say with confidence that it's been one of the greatest spiritual exercises I've ever gone through. Going through the life of St. Joseph, reading the writings of Father Calloway, and more importantly, bringing to life for us what the saints over the last 800 years have said about St. Joseph has been a tremendous blessing to me as a father, as a husband, and as a man. So I would strongly recommend that you check it out. It'd be a really good gift for Father's Day. So check it out. That's number one. Number two, we talk a lot about restocking and things being out of stock. And yes, that has been an ongoing challenge and opportunity for us. And I'm really excited to report that we have made significant progress. So looking back in the data in February, our average turnaround time, in other words, the amount of time that somebody was on the wait list for a given product, was about 60 days. That's 2 months. We've gotten that down to about 20 days. Now, usually, up until really this month, everything was out of stock. It would go in stock. You would get a notification, you'd buy it, and it's out of stock again. We've got close to 40 rosaries in stock today. Several home altars as well. Lots of both imported crucifixes as well as our wood pardon crucifixes. And we've got about 100 more rosaries coming over the next week. So definitely be on the lookout for those. Another exciting piece that we've been working on behind the scenes operationally is a release roadmap schedule, basically. So in the next couple of weeks, what you'll find is a section in the website that says something along the lines of coming in June. We're on monthly release cycles. And so what you're going to see is a section in the website that's going to tell you these are the products that are going to be available in June. Most of the parts have already been sent to our rosary makers. We've got a couple more to send out. Once those all get sent out, then we'll be able to notify our customers of what's coming in June. So I think it's an exciting improvement, and we hope to keep working on this until we get to a point where a majority of our products are in stock on a regular basis. That's ultimately the goal. So we appreciate your patience, your support, and look for those. Also, if you haven't noticed, I got a haircut. What do you think, right? My hair got too long and I didn't know what else to do, so I thought it'd be something fun to do since I'm stuck at home. So hope you like it. All right, number two is that there is a limit and some issues around availability of specific parts. 70% of our suppliers are closed right now, and they have been for 6 weeks. So that's made it difficult for us to remain or maintain an inventory. We've done a pretty good job of looking at alternative suppliers for the time being, and we do have lots of rosary parts in stock. The biggest bummer is the bronze parts. 80% of our bronze parts are out. We hope that we'll get those back in stock by the end of May. But we do have other bronze parts. Our Catholic Woodworker designs, the Sacred Heart and the Our Lady of Guadalupe, as well as a couple of new designs, the Holy Family bronze crucifix, which is really beautiful. I have it on my rosary, which is over here. It's this one right here. I love it. So it's my favorite crucifix. It's on the rosary that I've been carrying along with the St. Michael centerpiece. We have these in stock now, and the white bronze are coming soon as well. So that's that. The other exciting news, two new products are in development right now. One is the St. Michael pendant and a couple other pendants. So these will be available on paracord with a clasp in the back, and you'll be able to pick between a 21 and a 24-inch length necklace. So I'm hoping that those will be available in June. The other thing that's coming in June, hopefully, I was hoping it would be May, but we've had some delays on the software side of things. So hopefully by June, we will have our custom single decket rosary designer, and I'm really excited about that. A lot of you have been asking for it. We've been working really hard on all of the photography, graphic design, software configuration. There's a lot that goes into it, but we're getting there. We're close. So definitely look forward to that. I mentioned the consecration to St. Joseph. I can't recommend it enough. I hope you check it out. And while we remain in this state of quarantine and even just looking into the summer, if you find yourself struggling with the daily prayer routine and not really sure how to either establish or maintain it, I pray the rosary every single morning at 7:30 Eastern Time. And we do it on Zoom. We've got plenty of room for more people to pray with us. So if you are looking for a way to establish and maintain a daily prayer routine, please reach out. I'll provide a link in this video for you to check out where you can go to register. You'll get daily notifications and give you an opportunity to pray with us either in the morning, or you'll get an email later in the day with a replay link. So thanks so much for listening. Thank you all so much for your support. It is truly an honor for me, for my wife, our family, and all of our growing network of rosary makers to be part of your spiritual life. So thank you. God bless, and we'll talk to you soon.